if you like to apply conditional formatting to pivot tables, but you also like the recommended wizard colors, so that's this good and bad. Problem is it takes quite a bit of work to get to here. So what I'd suggest, on a pivot table, click in one cell, just do a standard one, greater than, we're going to make it 0, and I can now choose that and just say OK. That's not going to work, however, because it'll only apply to that cell. But now I can go to Manage Rules, and most of it's done now. But when we say Edit Rule, you now have the option again that's specific to pivot tables. So without having to regenerate this format, I can now say do that. When I say OK and apply, you'll see we've quickly used the recommended good and bad colors onto a pivot table in the proper way a pivot table should be done.